Booby is a seabird that lives on the coasts of Central and South America. It is a carnivorous bird that eats anchovies, mackerel, sardines, and squid. These feathered creatures look awkward while walking on land, but they are excellent pilots and divers and can live up to 17 years in the wild. The sable bird is 32 to 34 inches long, with a wingspan of about 5 feet, and a wingspan of 5 feet. Imagine a length equal to a quarter of a giraffe. These animals weigh just over 3 pounds. The appearance of this feathered creature varies according to its species, and of course, the blue-footed booby is known for its brightly colored feet. And these species do not start with blue or purple feet from birth, and chicks are born with white feet, and their feet do not turn blue until they are 6 months old the age. The feet of a mottled bird, whether blue, red-footed, or any other species, serve a purpose other than walking, and male boobies show their feet to attract females. And both males and females use their feet to cover their chicks in the nest. Home of occult birds, these are tropical creatures, and the blue-footed booby lives in Central and South America, specifically on the western coasts, and this type is found in abundance in the Galapagos Islands, and the habitat of the brown booby includes the Gulf of Mexico, the Caribbean, and the Indian and Pacific Oceans, and the habitat of the masked booby includes vast areas of the Pacific Ocean. This seabird remains in its colony on land all night, and during the day it goes on a trip to search for fish in the ocean, and although these seabirds move in an awkward and unstable manner on land, they are a skilled diver. And when they discover a fish, they pull their wings flat on their bodies when they start diving 80 feet or higher in the air. Moreover, they can dive 50 feet under the surface of the water. The breeding season is divided into 4 main phases: 1 pre-egg laying stage, 2 the nursery, 3 taking care of the chicks, 4 post-breeding. The spelunk species is monogamous and the mating season runs from June to August. The male struts to attract the attention of a potential mate. Once paired, the male and female remain with each other for life. These feathered creatures make a nest on rocky ground or in a sandy patch along the coast. The nest is shaped like a bowl. By the time the eggs hatch, the nest has borders of excrement all over, because both the female and the male defecate there in the nest to take care of their young. The gestation period of these birds ranges from 40 to 45 days, and they usually have 2 or 3 eggs, and they are not the same size. And the father and mother take turns sitting on the nest and protecting their eggs. Once the eggs hatch, the featherless chicks are fed by both the mother and father. And they are completely dependent on their parents, and since they have no feathers, the chicks are prone to burns from the strong sunlight of the tropical environment. And the mother birds use their feet to calm and protect their young, and remain chicks are in the nest for 2 months. After which they leave their parents, and young birds are likely to live in the same general area with their parents, and these animals can live about 17 years in the wild. And the record for the oldest species goes to masked booby, who lived to the age of 25 years in an area Pacific. Most clouse birds nest on the ground with the exception of the red-footed clouse, which nests in trees. And the incubation period lasts about 50 days, with both males and females alternating incubating the eggs. His chicks are strays and require male and female care for an average of 100 days. The young are completely dependent on their parents for food and protection. Both parents forage in the ocean and release semi-digested food into the hatching mouth. The young are vulnerable to predators such as hawks and short owls. Ears during the day when both parents are out looking for food. Males and females take turns incubating the eggs by transferring heat from their full feet. Each parent guards the nest all night long if the peer is in the sea. Scientists have estimated that there are between 6,000 and 10,000 blue-footed stubby birds living in the Galapagos Islands. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. And thank you for watching.